Hi folks, and welcome to Dutch Cooking. Today we're going to be making this simple but classic Italian dish, spaghetti bolognese. Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes? Don't forget to subscribe. So today we're using the brick built stove with charcoal. We're just going to pop our cast iron pan on. Just going to start letting it warm up. To that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. The Dutch sticks in action again today. Once the oil is warm, we'll move it around, give the pan a good coating. To that we're going to add 1 chopped onion. We're just going to cook this until it goes soft. We don't want any colour on it again. Next things to add is 3 chopped garlic cloves. We'll cook these garlic cloves off for about 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Now I'm just going to make a well in the middle, push all the onions and garlic to the sides. This is so we can add 500 grams or 18 ounces of ground beef. Just going to break it down. And we're going to cook this until it's brown all over. And incorporate everything in together. And then we're going to add 200 grams, that's about 7 ounces of mushrooms, any mushrooms you like. We're going to go with 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3 teaspoons of Italian herbs, these are good mix in. We've not added any salt to this, and the reason is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and the reason I like to add Worcestershire sauce is because I can say it. Into the pot now goes 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, one tablespoon of tomato puree, we like to cook the tomato puree out for about a minute, just to take the rawness off it. Then we've got 1 cup of beef stock. I'm not going to add it all together, I'm just going to keep on adding it gradually. I don't want to make it too thin, this bolognese sauce. So we're going to cook this for about 10-15 minutes. That is the thickness we're looking for. So that's bolognese sauce ready. So we'll just serve that with some spaghetti, some garlic bread, and a nice grating of Parmesan cheese. That's our classic spaghetti bolognese. If you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.